Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GEEK Rhino Open Airframe Case Series. So friend, Rhino is a Taiwan-based SFF chassis brand and announced the Rhino Open Airframe Case Series designed for compact PC builders, featuring a tilted design with acrylic panel and aluminum block construction. In the GEEK Rhino M Micro ATX measure 305 into 250 into 275 mm and support micro ATX and mini ATX motherboard, and this model offer unrestricted compatibility with all standard air and liquid CPU cooler and graphics card of any length, and the open design provide complete freedom for cooling solutions supporting radiator size ranging from 120 mm to 360 mm and power supply compatibility with include ATX, SFX, SFXL format with no length limitation, and the smaller S case is designed exclusively for mini ATX motherboard featuring a more compact footprint of 300 into 200 into 250 mm and weight 1.1 kg, and despite its smaller size, it maintains the same unrestricted capability for CPU cooler and graphics card as Reno M, and the case support radiator up to 360 mm and recommended ATX, SFX and SFXL power supply, and however with maximum length of 140 mm, and the white version feature slightly thicker acrylic panel which may make it a bit from difficult to secure the graphics card according to the product page. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.